Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler filming from Jeanette's Pier, looking toward the south and east at an increasingly choppy North Atlantic Ocean as we've got strong west-northwesterly winds blowing. Pretty textured, but nonetheless still rideable here at Jeanette's Pier with some relatively hollow waves, although a little bit coming in a little bit softer than they were earlier. And we are looking at 3 to 4 foot waves here. In Nag's Head further south, some larger conditions. Choppier up here to the north and cleaner down to the south. Did get in for a 3-hour session with Mr. down in Rodanthe. Had a fantastic time. Hope you guys did get out into the water today to enjoy some of the amazing surf conditions. Did notice some videos of some beautiful barrels here and there as well. So overall, just generally a gorgeous day here in the Outer Banks. A gorgeous March 10th day. All right, so looking at the wave monitors, let's look at the conditions up and down the Outer Banks, which are relatively widely variable. Up here in the north, waves a bit smaller and larger and cleaner down south for the day. So here at Nag's Head, we've got 3 to 4 foot conditions. We'll call this semi-choppy or fair. Primary swell coming in out of the east-northeast at 2.7 foot and 11 seconds, and the secondary swell coming in from the east-southeast, not much smaller, at 2.3 foot and 8 seconds. We've got very strong west-northwesterly winds blowing right now at about 28 miles per hour. I'm in a little bit of a shelter here to try and not just be sending static to you guys through the microphone. Air temperature is pretty warm at 55 degrees. Ocean water temperature is still relatively cold out here at 49. We had a high tide really early this morning between 8 and 9 a.m. and low tide happens between 2 and 3 depending on where you are along the coastline. And we're looking again at another high tide at around 9 o'clock this evening. Just gonna film to the south here at the break in front of the hotel, which seems to be going off pretty consistently here. So I'm gonna continue to film down there for a little while. Okay, and down in Rodanthe we had 3 to 5 foot plus waves, semi-clean conditions. Swell coming in out of the east-northeast, primary swell 3.1 foot and 12 seconds. Strong west-northwest winds at Rodanthe right now in the range of about 28, 29 miles per hour. Air temperatures 56 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 53. And and at Buxton today, we had 3 to 5 foot waves, clean conditions, semi-clean to clean conditions. East-northeast swell coming in at 3.5 foot and 12 seconds northwest winds at 29 miles per hour. Air temperatures 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 58. And at Frisco, last of all, we have some 3 foot plus waves and choppy conditions. All right, for today, we'll call this 3 to 6 foot and mostly fair, somewhat choppy to the north. Clean, fair to clean Rodanthe south, where we have strong west-northwest winds, 20 to 30 miles per hour today, and temps in the mid-50s. Mostly sunny, beautiful day today here with these gorgeous skies overhead. For tomorrow, looking like 2 to 4 foot, maybe 2 to 5 foot, choppy to fair north and fair to clean to the south. And in the morning, so we're going to get really strong gale force winds tonight in the range of about, sustained winds in the upper 30 mile per hour, gusts up to the 40s. And by morning time, winds will subside to 25 to 35 miles per hour, and then around 18 to 25 miles per hour by afternoon. So if you're looking to go south, afternoon is probably going to be the better time. Temperatures for tomorrow expected to be in the middle 50s with highs in the middle 50s, and we're looking at clouds and sun for the weather picture. And for Tuesday, generally looking at 1 to 3 foot plus waves, depending on where you are. It could be 2 to 3 foot, could be 1 to 3, could be 1 to 2. Clean to the north, and also to the south. So clean pretty much all over on Tuesday. West winds light at around 8 to 15 miles per hour, possibly even calmer. Highs in the upper 50s and sunny. On Wednesday, we expect those waves to continue to subside to the 1 to 2 foot range and remain clean. Conditions could be unexpectedly better though on Wednesday. We expect west-southwest winds at 9 to 17 miles per hour, a high near 60 with some clouds rolling in. And last of all, on Thursday, 1 to 2 foot waves, some choppy conditions expected, fair to choppy conditions expected. Clean, however, in some locations, so kind of a mixed forecast for Thursday. Mixed, clean, fair, and choppy depending on your location. We're expecting light westerly winds, 5 to 10 miles per hour. I'm going to say that given those wind conditions, we're more than likely to see mostly clean conditions with those smaller waves. Sunny with highs in the low 60s. All right. So thanks for joining me for this session of the OBX Wave Report this Sunday, March the 10th. Hope you guys did get out and enjoy some great rides today, as I did with some of my friends. It was a fantastic day, and hopefully looking at good conditions tomorrow afternoon as we watch this last set roll in. Looking like a closeout to me. All right, thanks again, and we'll be back with this shortly. Excuse any of my incoherence. I did go surfing for like 3 hours straight, so a little bit blitzed here. In any case, I will be back with you shortly with the OBX Wave Report.